The power of game-based learning. Game-based learning is an immersive experience where students master learning targets through gameplay. Unlike a review game, game-based learning introduces new ideas and concepts through a virtual environment. And these games might be online, but they can also be physical and hands-on. The following are 7 benefits of game-based learning. Game-based learning boosts engagement by asking students to make decisions, pursue a goal, and check their own progress. And when this happens, the information sticks and students have a higher retention level of the content. These immersive games can help students make connections between the concepts and the ideas and see learning as interconnected. Here, students bridge the abstract and the concrete. It's a way to teach concepts and systems that might seem opaque and distant in a way that is visual and experiential. In some cases, they take on specialized roles and build empathy with characters. With game-based learning, information is more accessible because students at all levels can participate in the process. There's a low barrier of entry. When this happens, students engage in critical thinking, especially in the debrief process that happens after the game. But there's something else. Games are fun. And when students engage in game-based learning, they begin to fall in love with the subject and the content and the ideas. They realize that it is intrinsically rewarding to geek out on learning. And that takes them one step closer to being lifelong learners.